Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to fix black screen in Avast Secure Browser when streaming. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your black screen when you are streaming in either Discord or Messenger. Because sometimes this interrupts your watching moments with your friend if you're streaming on your Netflix or maybe Disney Plus and it just goes black. So what I want you to do to not that happen is open up your Avast Secure Browser. Once you open it up, click on the three dots on the top right. After clicking on the three dots on the top right, go down to settings. And once you're here at settings, just go down, keep going down, right here. Hmm, There we go. Use graphic acceleration when available. So guys, this is always on, or it's always what they call this. It's always on when you're first time using your Ava Secure browser. But me, I turn it off because I use my Ava Secure browser to stream like Netflix movie to my friends or with my friends while we're watching together and eating popcorn. And I found a way to not make it like a black screen when they're watching it. So just turn this off right here. And once it's turned off, this will help you lock because graphic acceleration can cause issues like a black screen when you're streaming on, for example, Discord or Messenger, because there's a few more reasons because driver may be incompatible because hardware acceleration relies on your GPU. So outdated or incompatible drivers can cause conflicts, resulting in a black screen. So in order for you to fix that, just updating your GPU drivers might solve this. But for me, I just offed it. And another reason why your graphics acceleration is the one causing your streaming to be black is because it's overloaded. So, so a hardware acceleration uses additional GPU power, and if your graphics card is already near its limits, it may struggle with like streaming in Discord or Messenger and may lead to display of a black screen. So yeah guys. So I hope you learned something today and I hope you enjoyed my tutorial and a little bit of tip for you guys. If it's still black screen when you're streaming on Discord, just go to Discord and find graphics acceleration. There you go guys. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.